Hey guys, welcome back to channel how to connect hosting a domain to Replit. So there is a complete step-by-step guide. Make sure you will have logged in the hostinger.com. If a little bit scroll down, so here is an option of a subscription. So you will just have to buy firstly subscription and you will be able to search for the domain for your design name of domain. And example, I will just type for shop.pk and just tap for enter. So right over here it will just AI suggestions for this. So first of all, it will says that you will just have to this is the suggestion names like this: shop.tech, shop.store, shop.space, and it is premium, and it will also are discounted for save 77%. So you will just have to buy it from here and you will just get this type of domain. And now the second step is there, we will just connect with the Replit. So we will move in the replit.com and you will also make sure logged in. And firstly, we will just move in the form page. So right over here, you will just have to purchase also plan right over here and you will be able to update your custom domain audit. So when you just copy it, the domain from the hostinger, and you will just have to paste it here. But before pasting, you will just have to purchase the plan for the free on the per month or the per year. So in this way, you'll just have to connect hosting a domain to Replit. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys.